Well, there we go. There's my new alternator bracket I just made with bits and pieces I found on the side of the road. Odds and ends. See the D-bolt, those things, and a handy sign that I had to walk back to. I've got the fan belt on. I've got that thing pushing it back. I found this whirly bin axle, and that's going to adjust it even a little bit better. Okay. Let's just see how it spins. Bloody hell. Handbrake on. Neutral. Start. That's looking pretty damn good to me. She's a bit off center. I could get it better, but not today. Anyway, back on the road.